Hi, I'm Lena. I'm going to show you how to easily create a tech pack with the new Black AI. The left sidebar is your design hub. It has three modes: create, freely generate designs from scratch; transform, access pre-built workflows; animate, turn designs into videos. Click Open a Tech Pack to get started. You can either build one from scratch or use the AI option to autofill information from an image, saving you time. In this demo, we'll use AI for a long-sleeve t-shirt. Write a product description to improve AI accuracy. Select options to generate a sketch of your product. For sizing and grading, upload a size chart or reference document. The AI will autofill measurements based on your file. When you're ready, click Autofill. Your tech pack is now autofilled and ready to use. Every field and title is fully editable. Use the canvas to freely add text, images, or callouts. When finished, export your tech pack as a PDF. Take time to explore other AI fashion sections and all tutorials. Try it now on the new Black AI.